Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Messenger switch account problem. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you are a Facebook Messenger user, you must know that you can easily switch between multiple accounts on Messenger. The primary advantage of this is that you don't have to repeatedly enter the username and password if you choose to remember passwords. It saves you lots of time when you want to use multiple Messenger accounts on the same device. If you're having trouble with your Facebook Messenger, for example, if it keeps asking you to switch accounts whenever you're trying to share anything from Facebook to Messenger, in order to solve this issue, there are some quick fixes. First, go and restart your device by pressing the hold the power button and choosing the restart option from the menu. Once you restart your system, the next thing to do is to go to your Facebook Messenger and tap on your profile picture in the upper left corner. From this page, scroll all the way down and simply disable the button right next to chat heads. Now, the next thing to do is to remove all Messenger accounts under the account from the same page. Tap on Switch Account and now remove all the accounts by holding the account and tap on the trash button in the pop-up. It tells you that in order to remove the account you'll need to log out of your Facebook account. To do so, tap OK and the first log out of your Facebook account. Tap Open your Facebook app. Now, tap on the 3-bar icon at the top right, go to Settings, and Privacy option at the bottom. And tap on Settings. Under Settings, go to Security and Login, and under where you are logged in, tap on See All and scroll all the way down and tap on Log Out of all sessions. Tap on Log Out one more time, and doing so will make you sign out of all of your Facebook and Messenger accounts on all of your devices. Now, after you do that, you'll need to go ahead and enter your login details again for your Facebook Messenger. Once you're logged into your account, your problem might be solved. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.